What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna be doing another episode. Quick, you guys ready? Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm a teacher at Wall Street English. And today we're going to make a quick tip about using gerunds after the verbs like, love, hate. I like read books. This is not correct. Right? We say I like reading books. Okay, you're going to use the ing form. I like reading books. Love. I love eat pizza. Let's use the ing. I love eating pizza. Hate. I hate doing homework. I hate doing homework. Like, love, hate. We can use the ing form with the verb. Okay, I like eating pizza. I love going swimming. I hate doing homework.
Alright guys, that's pretty much for today. Thank you for watching and make sure that you hit the like button down below here. Till next time, I'm out. Peace!